There are 7 basic principles of design. They are as follows. Repetition. This is the use of an identical or similar shape, color, or motif throughout the composition. Patterns are identical, repetitive designs that cover a surface area. In art, many times a color or similar shape is repeated throughout the composition to draw the viewer's eye around the object. Unity and variety. An artwork must feel like a unified whole, making a cohesive statement. But it also must have enough variation to keep the viewer's interest. Unity can be achieved through repetition, balance, color, or emphasis. Variety, in this context, is simply a way of balancing the unity by adding permutations or contrast. Contrast. In this context, contrast refers to the relationship of 2 compositional elements in a work of art. Contrasts can appear in color harmonies, textures, shapes, or other elements. It can be used sharply, such as creating opposites like black and white, or it can be subtle, such as the transition from rough to smooth texture. Balance. This refers to the arrangement of visual objects in a space. In both 2D and 3D, the visual weight of shapes and forms must be distributed in order to make an aesthetically pleasing composition. Emphasis. This is the focal point of a work of art. The emphasis of a work of art is generally what stands out or is most prominent. It also refers to a specific shape or point on a composition that catches the viewer's eye first. Scale. This is simply the size of an object. It can refer to the size of a physical art object in itself or to one element in a work of art. Scale can be used to show relative importance, shift perspective of the viewer, or to just add interest to a composition. Proportion. This refers to the relationships among a group of shapes or forms. In representing physical objects, it also refers to the relative size and shape of different parts that make up a whole.